back there?
Yeah.
Here, get him.
Now, Chuck.
Here, get ready.
Honey,
Want
the net,
me to get the net? All right.
I'm going to hurt him. I just got to pry this a little bit. He'll come out.
No, you gotta get the net, Chuck.
Here's the net. Want the net?
Well, yeah. But I got to get him out. Now he went.
Hey, can I take that thing that's pant made? You'll bust that. That wrestler's almost falling over.
I can't do it.
Take the Indian one.
Here he comes. I hear him. I hear him.
Give me the light. Take this, Tyson. Hand it to me when I tell you. He got into the...
Is it back there? You see it?
He got into this...
You see it?
No. No, he's into the bookcase. Watch out. Look over here. He got inside the